What time is it? Well past pie o'clock. Half past. Fucking an hour past. An hour and a half past. I'm so hungry. To walk through the river crossing. That is a very still river. Good luck, lads.
SS Patrol.
Yeah, baby. Good a fair bit. I don't think we're doing that.
My iceberg's fucking soaked on my river. I'm just contemplating.
It looks like you're walking through it, man.
She's still good for me. She's still good for me. You know I only got myself to blame, 'cause the writing's on the wall. Yeah, yeah. And I've nothing left to offer you. Nothing left at all. No, no.
How many goes do you need, mate?
There's a log that I can't see. Can you please don't?
What log is there,
the
man?
outside.
There's no log, man.
I'll find it.
I've no hope, I'm low life, and it's still cold. It only proves that you're too patient. Everyone says she's too good for me, and it's so right, so right. It's a fact they say she's too good for me, and it's so right, so right. She's slipping through my fingers.
What a day. Fucking snowy.
She could have had anyone that she damn wanted. Sadly, she got me. Oh, no. And it seems you finally realize that you're too good for me. And the
You're ruining this guy's life. You're ruining his life. No.
I do it tonight if we get good coals going, because I'll boil the potatoes
Oh,
and
messy.
then wrap them in alcohol and then put it in the coals.
Can you tip that upside down? Oh, no.
Struggling fire.
Oh, no.
Your mate.
They circle around like vultures, waiting for the kill. 'Cause I've been punching above my weight ever since I met you. Everyone says she's too good for me, and it's so right, so right. Everyone says she's too good for me, and it's so right, so right. It's a fact they say she's too good for me. She's too good for me.
My hand before I hit it.
Thomas.
Wherever.
Nice.
Yes! Because you've just lost, but... Just a little bit, Sir David. And then... I knight him!
To the content justice. Do it justice. The nose is long as fuck in that angle. The angle, like,
Wow, the angle makes a fucking...
You gotta hold it from the bottom. You gotta. The Kylo Ren sink. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. 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 Yes.
Jared, move. Yeah.
We got all
How proud are you?
It's been a great night, like really.
Yeah, so you can see the evolution. It's
Starting off with the beers.
beers,
And then it's Canadian o'clock.
and then
some more support Canadians down here.
more beers. Male performance. This is second male performance. And what's going on over here?
Old mate's just almost rolled his fucking patrol down there. By doing donuts. Because patrols have two-wheel drive. Fucking idiots.
Boo! We like to go up hills with Tom, because Tom is our mate.
Tell him to hit limiter.
Mate.
Honestly, don't speak during this because you annoy the fuck out of me. Don't speak because you'll annoy the fuck out of me.
Shut up.
Off, David.
There's a lot of
So much more flex, it's fucked. Oh, that just... Mate, this is a fucking freeway! Oh, I lied. Oh, I lied. Tap the ground and it just fucking snaps. Yeah, okay. This is elite.
Gotta get back.
Ah, my lift home.
It's gone. Boy, look at it. It's a marketing day. BT50 media day. Real. Oh shit, you actually might be okay. Look at that. Slower! Slower!
He did it. Well done, mate. No, you nailed it. Yeah, fucking got it. Well done. Love it. Can you spot me on the
traction. What the fuck is going on?
Coming on.
What the fuck?
Fuck yeah.
I've got a better idea.
Woo!
How you going, Mark?
What's going on here?
Yeah, pretty good, Mark.
Yeah, sweet as, mate.
Yeah,
Fucking lovely day, mate.
Bit of stano.
Lovely day.
Stano action.
Yeah, nah, have a good one, mate.
Thanks, mate.
How the fuck have we lost this? How has this happened?
Sonny's just littering in the creek. Oh, look at it.
No, I don't know if that...
Thanks, Shoutout. You just saved someone's car.
Swing back, you coward.
I'm trying to take you right to the dark, man.